This fog is like amazing. It's super beautiful outside. We're gonna be doing a trip down to the States with my family, and we're gonna go visit our cousins. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna swim. We're going to meet some people and enjoy ourselves for the weekend before I head back to school and not so fun stuff.
What's next?
So one of the key things to traveling is always take every opportunity to go to the washroom when you can. We're just stopping here and I'm so glad to be out of the van. Oh boy, we're traveling in a 15 passenger. Anyway, it's just always take a restroom stop. Isn't this awesome? I'm standing between two white vans. Super fun. Like, yeah, my cousins are a big family as well.
Hey, can you just do a U-turn in the street here? There's a yard sale going on up there. Sure. I just want to see how they're doing.
I'm stuck inside the vehicle with my little cousin. Did they leave us, Chichi? Did they leave us? Yeah. It's kind of frustrating, but it looks interesting.
This is pretty sweet.
I'm at my cousin's house here in Seattle, and we're here with my cousin Cyprian. How's it going, Cyprian?
What's up, guys? How's it going? What's up, YouTube?
Hey, so we're gonna go vlog, shoot some video and stuff, and
Enjoy the vlog, guys.
have some fun.
Alright, what's up, YouTube? I like this. Why? Like this? Oh, okay. Anyways, what's up, YouTube? How's it going? Hope y'all are having a fantastic day out here on the rad bike. Got the battery right there, got the motor in the back. Anyways, my friend, dearest friend and cousin, Jonathon, decided to come up for the weekend. So we're gonna be doing some vlogging. Whoa, my hair looks bad. Hey guys, stop judging right now. No need for judging. See, look at that. Disgusting. Okay, anyways, so he's up for the weekend, and we're like, let's do a vlog together. So this is so chill. We are just biking around town, trying to figure out what to do. But yeah, enjoy the vlog, guys. Alright, what's up, guys? How's it going? Today we are doing a review on the Rad Wagon. This is an awesome electric bike, and if you are interested in these kind of things, stuff like that, feel free to stick around, drop a like, and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna talk a couple tech specs, all that cool stuff. You see this black thing right here, back here, that is a 750 watt motor. We got a lithium battery right here. That thing is awesome. I actually got two of those. That thing gets me up to 20 full throttle, because that's all I'm too lazy for the pedals. What are those? I don't even know what those are. Anyways, I can fit two of my friends back here. We go all over town on that. That thing is like the bomb. No Uber, nothing like that. It's like a car, guys. Anyways, we got the throttle here, got the computer right here. Shows you your battery, how fast you're going, your wattage right there. All that fun stuff. Got the throttle right here. Yeah, okay, a little burner right there. Anyways, we got the light up here. That thing is amazing. Don't need to worry about that, you know, dark time, no biggie. Got the battery, got the pedals, motor in the back, got a lock, gotta keep it safe. This thing was kind of expensive, not too bad, definitely worth it.
Your iPhone X is so cool.
Yeah, I know.
It's pretty sweet. We're filming on the iPhone X in case you haven't noticed. These past videos I've been doing are pretty dope, pretty high quality. Dope's the right word, right?
Yeah.
Dope, rad.
Y'all want some dope?
Yeah, dope. There we go. No.
That guy way back here, the slow guy. That's just a joke. That's not for real. That guy's so chill.
You having some trouble there, Cyprian?
Nah, dude. No trouble here, guys.
Are you sure? You sure?
I'm good.
See
It's
that?
all good. I parked it, but it's free.
Okay. You sure?
Look, it's parked.
So Cyprian thinks he's going to start a YouTube channel and become super famous. Is that right, Cyprian?
No.
No?
I think my YouTube channel's gonna be better than yours. How many? 43 subscribers?
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna whoop that. Out of the park, guys. Gonna beat the guy who told me how to do it, or showed me how to do it, so there we go. Wish me luck, I'm gonna need it. What's up, guys, how's it going? Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new around here, subscribe, turn on the little bell thing, yeah, that thing. Whoop! Oh, gotcha, okay.